name's Jill Mollenhauer, originally from Southern California. I always wanted to be an artist. My whole life I wanted to be an artist. I knew it. I began by studying into medical illustration so that it would be more of a job. Somewhere along the line I got asked to teach. Love the interaction with students. So I did that for quite a few years. And then I took off and I went just to freelance illustration. And I loved it because I love working with clients. Finally got tired of living in the city, had to get out. So we moved down here to Todos, Santos. Pretty much I do what fulfills my heart. And I find that probably the best thing I've ever done. It's one thing to say, I'm gonna paint a vase. I'm going to do a landscape. But to then say, I'm gonna paint an emotion. I'm gonna paint something that has no form, no color, no shape that we know of. How do I take that? How do I process that into something that when you see it, you can then feel? It's different. I don't know if all artists work this way, probably to a degree, but I know I do. Nature is a huge inspiration. The light is huge and it's beautiful here. The plants, the bugs, the rocks, the lizards. I am entranced with even the sound of the mangoes falling off the trees and hitting the ground. Usually on canvas with an acrylic base of some kind of painting. And then on top of that, I will often add papers, handmade papers. And then on top of that, I might embroider bead shells, found objects, anything that says to me, this tells more of the story of what I would want to say. I want you, the viewer, to see and feel that amazing beauty that I know exists in the entire world. Santos, I knew I had found my place. I love the light. I love the nature. The people are so special. I find an openness here that I don't see in the city. I love the connection. I love the eye-to-eye contact. People aren't afraid to do that. When we first moved here in 2013, we moved in November, and I thought, I don't have anything yet. I don't have a studio, and I had 3 paintings. And I'm doing it anyway. You're insane to do 3 paintings. I don't care if I don't do this, I'll not get into the community. And I did. Each year, a lot of them have come back to see how much I've grown, how the changes in the garden, the changes in the house. My only regret about the artist studio tour, I don't get to go on it. I've never been to all these wonderful studios I hear about when people come to visit mine. Hi, I'm Jill, and I hope that you'll stop by my studio for the open studio tour. I hope to see you there.